Hello guys, so I'm Hitesh Tripathi and I'm currently working as an SD intern with an organization as a blockchain developer. And in this video, we are going to talk about how you can prepare for your placement season. Okay, so if you have seen our previous video also in the same channel, in previous video we have talked about if you are preparing for your placement seasons, here are some tips for you. So basically in that video, we have talked about what are the things you need to prepare for your placement seasons. Okay, now under what are the things you need to prepare for your placement seasons, there are many things which I have discussed in the previous video. If you didn't watch that video, you can go and watch that video. I will give a brief about that video in this video also, so don't worry if you don't have time for that. Now before starting this video, let me just tell you what is Newton School and about its different programs. So basically Newton School is an e-learning platform where they have different programs especially designed for you. Their first program and most amazing one is their full stack development course, or you can also say their pay after placement program. So under which they will train you, they will make you a full stack developer. And not only this, okay, after that they will also get you placed in these different companies which they have tie up with. You can see in the screen. So most amazing thing, why I have said that this is the most amazing program for you, because you don't need to pay even a single penny until and unless you get placed in any of these companies for a minimum of 5 lakh CTC. Okay, so this was the most amazing thing about this program. So if you want to join this course or a program, you can just go to the link in description or get the contact details from the description, or you can also come to their website and apply now for free. Like, it doesn't gonna cost you anything, and you can apply now for free, and you will get a follow-up from their side. Now some more programs they have for you is their launchpad initiative, under which you can just go to their website, start learning for free with different courses they have for you. Okay, and you just need to log in or sign up with your email ID or contact number, and you can just start learning. You can also participate in grant coding contest of Newton School, where they have cash prizes for you. And not only this, they also have hiring partners via this contest. So if you perform very good, you can also get interview calls from these companies. Okay. Sorry. In the end, before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, Coding Talkies, you can just go and subscribe this YouTube channel. Okay, under which we are posting regular videos so that you can learn all the stuff for free. And we are also posting videos regarding your placements, your programming languages queries. Okay, different queries you have with us, so that you can get your doubts solved for free. Now let's just start with today's video. So in today's video, as I was going to talk about how you can prepare for your placements. Okay, what you need to prepare for your placements, I have already talked about that in previous video. So let me just give you a brief about that. In that video I told you, like, first you need to decide what for which company you are targeting. Okay, you are targeting startups or product based companies, okay, or only service based companies. So after that I have told you, like, for the startups what you need to focus more, either your development side or DSA or coding side. Okay, or for product based companies what you need to focus more for your either your project or development side or DSA or coding programming side. So let me tell you in brief again. For the startups, they mainly focus in project development. So like you need to focus more on development side. Like if you they are hiring you for front end role, so you need to focus on your front end skills like React, Vue or Angular. Or if they are hiring you as backend engineer, so you need to focus on more Django, Node.js or your backend skills more. Okay. Now talking about product based companies, for product based companies I have already told you in previous video, like you need to focus more on your problem solving skills, because they can train you like for 6 months, for 3 months, they have enough time. But once you get trained, you have to work on their product on your full level. Okay, और on your तुम्हें अपनी पूरी एनर्जी के साथ और पूरे स्किल्स के साथ उनके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग जो भी बग्स आते हैं उनके प्रोडक्ट में, ओके, वो सब सॉल्व करने हैं। एंड दोज बग्स आर ऑब्वियसली नॉट रेगुलर बग्स और इजी बग्स टू जज और सॉल्व। So that's why you should be a fast learner and also fast problem or good problem solver. Okay, now this we need to know. अब data structures and algorithms वो both में important हैं in startups and in product based companies both, because data structures and algorithms are like basic things, कुछ concepts जो तुम backend में लगाने वाले हो, okay, like how you are going to design your backend or how you are going to design your APIs, get and post methods, and where are you going to put all the data. So for that you need to study data structures and algorithms, because then only you will get to know like why some things are faster than other things and why you are using only this data structure is and why you are not using that data structure. That's why, okay, so that's why DSA is very important. Now how you are going to prepare, this is the main topic of our video. So how you can prepare for this? So basically you can be in two categories. First is if you are in your first year, second year or third year, or second category can be if you are already in your fourth year or in sixth or seventh sem and your placement season is going to come soon, okay, like 2-3 महीने में ही तुम्हारा प्लेसमेंट सीजन आने वाला है एंड कंपनी हैज़ ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड कमिंग इन योर कैंपस. So if you are in second category, if you want to learn everything fast, okay, or if you want to just prepare for your placements very fast, what you can easily do, if you already have some programming knowledge, if you already know some coding language like C++, Python or Java, what you can simply do, you can go to lead code, okay, or you can go to Newton School and learn advanced concepts via YouTube Newton School channel. Now advanced concepts means like you can learn graphs, you can learn basic regular DP, basic advanced problems. You can just search on YouTube Hitesh Tripathi DP series Newton School and you will get it, okay. So you can learn DP advanced problems, you can learn all the basic algorithms of graphs, and you can learn trees, like regular traversals of trees and how to code them, okay. The most important thing is how to code them, linked list, trees, graphs, DP, okay. तो बेसिक चीज़ जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है उनको कोड करना. लाइक इफ़ आई टेल यू अबाउट प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज इंटरव्यूज, दे विल आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन इन इंटरव्यू, ओके. वो तुमसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, तुम अप्रोच तो 5 मिनट में बता दोगे, बट व्हेन दे विल टेल यू टू कोड इट, you will take too much time and this is not a good thing, okay. They need a good problem solver and a problem solver must know the approach as well as how to code it very quickly, okay. This is the thing. So main thing is you must know the approach of the problem as well as how to code it very quickly and in a short code, as short as possible, in minimum number of lines of code. So during learning any problem or any concept, just get your fingers on the keyboard, okay. उसको कोड करने की भी कोशिश किया करो. Second thing, after that if you already know programming language, तुम different platform से ये topics learn कर सकते हो. After that you need to practice problem solving, okay, via coding. You can go to lead code for that. तुम्हें DSA specific questions with companies tags मिल जाएंगे, तुम वहाँ से सॉल्व कर सकते हो. और देयर आर मैनी डिफरेंट वेबसाइट्स ऑल्सो फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस, ओके. नाउ जस्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व ओनली प्रॉब्लम विद टैक्स मीडियम एंड हार्ड ओनली, ओके. डोंट गो फॉर इजी प्रॉब्लम्स. अगर तुमसे मीडियम और हार्ड नहीं हो रही, देन यू कैन गो फॉर इजी प्रॉब्लम्स फर्स्ट एंड देन गो टू मीडियम और हार्ड. जस्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व मोर चैलेंजिंग प्रॉब्लम्स जो तुम्हें सॉल्व करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, ठीक है. नॉट दोज प्रॉब्लम्स जो तुम ईजिली तुरंत कोड करके आगे बढ़ा रहे हो. Not those problems, because those problems will not going to help you in any way. Now the only thing you can do is this much, okay. Learn different topics like जो इंटरव्यूज में पूछे जा सकते हैं, और अपनी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स और कोडिंग स्किल्स पे ध्यान दो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, बिकॉज this is only going to get asked in interviews. Second thing what you can do is get your hands on core subjects of your computer science branch, that is DBMS, operating systems, computer networks, and OOPS. Okay, OOPS is also very important, don't neglect it. तुम्हें एक क्वेरी लैंग्वेज आनी चाहिए. क्वेरी लैंग्वेज, बाय क्वेरी लैंग्वेज आई से एसक्यूएल और मोंगो. ओके, एक क्वेरी लैंग्वेज आनी चाहिए सो दैट तुम्हें डीबीएमएस की भी नॉलेज हो जाएगी. इन एकेडमिक्स वी गेट टू नो एसक्यूएल ओनली, तो मुझे एसक्यूएल आती है. प्लस तुम्हें अपने कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स और ऊप्स का बहुत अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट आना चाहिए. सपोज यू लर्न C++ और जावा और पाइथन, तो उसमें तुमने ऊप्स ऑलरेडी पढ़े होंगे, बस उसका थोड़ा सा डीप में जो भी क्वेश्चंस यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली गूगल ऑन गूगल top 50 questions for SQL, top 50 questions for DBMS, top 50 questions for OS and for computer networks, and you will get all the questions. Just simply go through them and get a good knowledge of those topics from all those core subjects. Okay, so if you are already in your 6th 7th semester, you only need to do these two things. Okay, get a good hands on core subjects and on your problem solving skills, that is by solving different problems on based on DSA only. Okay, and you don't need to solve like implementation problems, because interviews में वो ज़्यादा नहीं पूछी जाती हैं. You will only get asked like DSA based problems, and for those problems I already told you the platform. Okay, and for learning different topics, advanced topics for your interviews, I already told you, just go to YouTube, search on Newton School channel. I have already made the playlist, and if you want to learn from some other person, you can also go for that. Okay, I told you the topics. Those are graphs, your DP, advanced problems only. If you are not good in DP, you can go for advanced problems, trees, traversals, and how to code trees problems. Okay, trees के problems उतने hard नहीं आएंगे, but code करना आना चाहिए. And fourth is linked list. Linked list के बहुत अच्छे अच्छे questions होते हैं, just go for all of them. Okay, तो ये था if you are already in your placement season or near your placement season. Now if you are in your first year, second year, or like you have enough time to prepare, what you can do, you can enhance your problem solving skills. How? You can just go to different coding platforms. You can also participate in grand coding contest of Newton School to test how much you have learned till now. Okay, and you can just go to different coding platforms, or you can participate in ongoing contests and try to solve more and more implementation problems, because they will वो तुम्हारे माइंड को शार्प बनाएंगी. Okay, this is the main thing, and they will also enhance your problem solving skills. Like if you will enhance your problem solving skills in these first year or second year of your academics or your graduation years, तो होगा क्या, when you will go for DSA, you will think in a more complex way how these things are working, how you can go to deep of these concepts. Okay, in DSA. So that's why like this is simple basic concept. Like if you are building your base of the building in a very good way, तो बहुत अच्छी बिल्डिंग बनने वाली है. तो इन द सेम वे तुम अगर फर्स्ट ईयर और सेकेंड ईयर से ही अपने इम्प्लीमेंटेशंस और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स इन्हांस करोगे बाय पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दीज कॉन्टेस्ट एंड ऑनलाइन कॉन्टेस्ट और solving problems in these platforms, it will obviously gonna benefit you in a very good way. Okay, तो तुम ये कर सकते हो. सेकेंड थिंग, अपने इनिशियल ग्रेजुएशन ईयर्स से ही अपने कोर सब्जेक्ट्स में बहुत अच्छी पकड़ बना के रखो. ओके, लाइक DBMS एंड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स तुम्हारे एकेडमिक्स में सेकेंड ईयर और थर्ड ईयर में ही आ जाते हैं. उसी टाइम पे उनको इतने अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट समझ लो कि आगे जाके तुम्हें टॉप 50 क्वेश्चंस ढूंढने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े. यू जस्ट नीड टू रिवाइज देम एंड यू कैन गो फॉर योर इंटरव्यू. ओके, सो ये शुरू से ही कर लो. सेकेंड थिंग, इफ़ यू हैव इनफ टाइम यू कैन ऑल्सो डू डेवलपमेंट. ओके, बिकॉज in the future maybe you are going for some startup placement, so you need to have good hands on your development skills also. Make some good projects like for front end or back end skills. Like for front end you can learn React. I will recommend React.js because this is the most demanding skill right now. And if you are doing mobile development, you can learn Dart for Flutter development or React Native. Okay, both are good. There is no comparison between these two. And if you want to go for backend, you can. And if you already know Python, just go for Django development. Or if you know Java, go for Spring Boot. Or if you already know like JavaScript, you can go for Node.js. Okay, these all are demanding skills, and I will recommend basically Node.js if you are going to just begin with any backend skill. So just go for Node.js. Okay, so these are all the tips for the students which are already in their first year, second year, or third year and need to prepare for their placement seasons. So they can do this. Otherwise, if you are already near your placement seasons, you can just start solving questions from different ongoing online platforms which are based on DSA only and not on implementation or easy levels. Okay, maths or implementation. So just go for DSA questions and learn your most advanced skills like graphs and DP and trees and linked lists. Okay, so this is it from my side for this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section, like what are the different things or regarding different things you need to ask. You can just put the question in the comments. I will answer ASAP. Now if you haven't checked Newton School yet, there are different programs they have for you like Launchpad, Pay After Placement program, and Grant Coding Contest. Just go to their website and get the most out of it. Like everything is free for you there. You just need to open your laptop and go to their website for learning and for participating and winning cash prizes. Now in the end, if you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, you can just go and hit the subscribe button so that you can get regular updates. And I'm also making React.js playlist, so if you want to start your front-end development, you can just come here and bookmark this playlist of React.js. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is it for this video, and press the like button and hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching.